When you book a projector, you will find in the bag some information describing best practice for setting up the projector. Please make sure you read this and make any adaptations that you need to set up the projector correctly. The SanyoXGA short throw or floor projector is useful for projecting on a large wall within a confined space. There are various different inputs, including HDMI, VGA, component, and phono RCA, and also audio in and out. So it's quite versatile. The image is projected from here, and you can fine-tune the focus with this lever here. On the back of the projector, we have the power button, keystone control and menu control that are used in tandem with the multi-selector here, as is the select. In addition, a remote control is available for when you need to control the projector from a distance. If I bring up the menu, we can see our HDMI input is selected, and this can be adjusted within the menu. Image Select offers preset options for changing between dynamic, standard, etc., dependent on your choice. And you can also fine-tune the color, brightness, contrast, etc. with Image Adjust. Screen offers lots of options, including a change in aspect ratio depending on what you require, and also keystoning, which enables you to straighten your vertical keystoning. Also, there are options for ceiling projection, should you need, and rear projection, again, should you need, which reverses the image. The sound tab enables you to control the volume or mute the projector should you need. And settings allows you to change, amongst other things, the language. If you do change the language, please return this back to English when you're finished. And finally, the information enables you to check, amongst other things, the lamp hours. And finally, when you need to turn the projector off, press the power button and press a second time, and the projector will shut down. Please allow the projector to cool before packing away.